Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Studying English with Seema Saini. I'm Seema Saini. I hope you all are good.
Today we'll discuss business letters. First of all, we'll discuss format of the letters and then samples of the letter. So let's get started. So letter has 7 parts. First of all, we will write sender's address, then leave one line, then write date, then leave one line again, then write receiver's address, then leave one line, then write subject, then leave one line again, then write dear sirs, then write content, then write complimentary close. Now let's understand different types of business letters. Question 1. You are Ravi Chopra of 26 Civil Lines, Solan. Last week, you bought an automatic Whirlpool washing machine from Messrs. Ram Electronics, Naya Bazar, Solan. Now, you find that the machine is not cleaning clothes properly and is making an unbearable noise. Write a letter to the dealer complaining about the same and requesting him to change the washing machine at the earliest. This is most important question. First of all, write sender's address 26 Civil Lines, Solan. Then leave one line, then write date 15 March 2000, then write year. Then leave one line again, then write Messrs. Ram Electronics, नया बाजार सोलन. तो यहाँ पे मैसेज राइट किया गया है. तो मैसेज मिस्टर का प्लूरल होता है और मैसेज हम तब राइट करते हैं जब हम किसी कंपनी को लेटर राइट करते हैं. सो मैसेज इज द प्लूरल ऑफ मिस्टर. देन लीव वन लाइन, देन राइट सब्जेक्ट रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ वर्लपूल वॉशिंग मशीन. देन लीव वन लाइन अगेन, देन राइट डियर सर्स. तो सर्च भी हम तब राइट करते हैं जब हम कंपनी को राइट करते हैं. तो बिजनेस लेटर में सर्च राइट किया जाता है. Then write content. I bought from your store an automatic Whirlpool washing machine last week. Against cash memo number 11562 dated 10/3/2000, and write year. I regret to inform you that the machine doesn't work properly. It doesn't wash the clothes satisfactorily and makes an unbearable loud noise. I think there is something gravely wrong with its motor or ball bearings. The first wash in the machine came as a great dismay to all in the family who stood expectantly around it. I bought the machine on your assurances of its excellent working, which have all proved untrue. I think it is only a freak case of manufacturing defect. I request you to replace the machine at the earliest, since it is difficult for us to do without it. A written 1 year's warranty on this machine has been given by you. Yours faithfully, Ravi Chopra. Question 2. Last summer, you bought color television from MS Electricals, Unna with a warranty of 2 years. Now, you find that the picture gets blurred every now and then. Even the sound has become defective. Write a letter to the dealer complaining about the problems. This is important question. First of all, write sender's address 28 Civil Lines, Solan. Then leave one line, then write date 28 March 2000, then write year. Then leave one line again, then write receiver's address Messrs, which is plural of Mr. Messrs. MS Electricals, 14 Bazar Marg, Unna, which is mentioned in the question. Then leave one line again, then write subject. A recently purchased color TV set. Then leave one line, then write dear search. सर्च का यूज कंपनी या फॉर्म के लिए किया जाता है. देन राइट कंटेंट. आई बॉट अ विनर्स कलर टीवी सेट फ्रॉम योर शॉप अगेंस्ट कैश मेमो नंबर 1786 dated 17/2/2000, and write year. I regret to inform you that the set is not working properly. To the great dismay of each one in the house, the sound is not clear and the volume keeps fluctuating automatically. The picture also changes to black and white from time to time. The set is still under warranty and I request you to attend to it at your earliest. I hope you will enable us to watch on our TV the one-day Singer World Cup cricket matches going to commence next Monday. Thanking you, yours faithfully, Ravi Sundaram. Question 3. Raj Rajeshwar of 160 Kesharganj Shimla bought a frost-free Godrej refrigerator of 265 liters from Living Style CR Das Market Shimla. Having used it for about a month, he finds that the freezing section of the refrigerator is not working at all. Write a letter to the sales manager of the firm, complaining about it and requesting for the piece to be replaced. The refrigerator has been given a 2-year warranty against any technical fault. First of all, write sender's address like 160 Kesarganj, Shimla, which is mentioned in the question. Then write date 28 October 2000, then write year. Then leave one line again, then write receiver's address like the sales manager Living Style CR Das Market, Shimla, which is mentioned in the question. Then leave one line, then write subject Godrej refrigerator purchased from you. Then leave one line, then write dear sir. तो यहाँ पे हमने डियर सर राइट किया, सर्च नहीं, बिकॉज वी आर राइटिंग दिस लेटर टू सिंगुलर पर्सन, दैट इज द सेल्स मैनेजर विच इज सिंगुलर. देन राइट कंटेंट लाइक आई परचेज्ड अ फ्रॉस्ट फ्री 265 लीटर Godrej refrigerator from you about 5 weeks back. Write your receipt number C264 dated 20 September 2000 and write year. Having used it for about a month, I find that the freezing section of the refrigerator is not working at all. I therefore request you to replace the piece with a new one. The refrigerator has been given a 2-year warranty against any technical fault. I hope you would do the needful as early as possible because without freezing section, the refrigerator is of no use. Thanking you, yours faithfully, Raj Rajeshwar, which is mentioned in the question. Question 4. You placed an order with Messrs Ready-Made Garments, Hisar, for the supply of cotton shirts, but they have delayed the execution of the order. Write a letter to them, cancelling the order. First of all, write sender's address like New Colony, Ramnagar, Hisar. Then leave one line, then write date 4 April 2000, then write year. Then leave one line again, then write Messrs. Messrs means plural of Mr. जब किसी कंपनी या किसी फर्म को लेटर लिखा जाता है तो Messrs राइट करते हैं. Then write Messrs Ready-Made Garments, The Mall, Hisar. Then leave one line again, then write subject cancellation of order for cotton shirts. Then leave one line again, then write search. जब किसी कंपनी या फर्म को लेटर लिखा जाता है तो सर्च राइट करते हैं, दैट इज प्लूरल ऑफ सर. Then write content. We placed an order with you on 5th March for 100 pieces of cotton shirts to be delivered by 20th March. But till now, we have received neither the goods nor any letter from you. The time of delivery has long expired and we are compelled to cancel the order and should the goods arrive, they will now be refused. Yours faithfully, Ramnath Jindal, proprietor. Question 5. You placed an order with a publisher for a particular book, but he has sent you another book. Request him to send the book you have asked for. First of all, write sender's address like 4 XYZ Street, ABC Town. Then leave one line, then write date 9 May 2000, then write year. Then leave one line, then write receiver's address Messrs, that is plural of Mr. तो यहाँ पे हम कंपनी या फर्म के लिए राइट कर रहे हैं. Then we will write Messrs. Messrs OUP Publishers, Daryaganj, New Delhi. Then leave one line, then write subject request for replacement of wrong book sent. Then leave one line, then write dear sirs. Sirs plural of sir because we are writing for company or firm. Then we will write sirs. Then write content. On 15th March, I ordered a copy of the book Background of Music by H.S. Narang and remitted the entire amount rupees 150 in advance. On opening the parcel received this morning, I found that it contained a copy of the History of Music by the same author. I regret to say that I had not placed any order for this title. I am therefore returning it by parcel and requesting the replacement. I hope the replacement will be dispatched at the earliest date. I also hope that I shall not be charged any additional packing or postal expenses. Yours faithfully, Srinivas.
That's all for today. For more videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. Keep watching. Till then, bye. Take care.